Hello guys, this is Akate Jugi as usual. You have just had a fresh installation of Windows onto your computer and your touchpad isn't working at all. You have tried several times but it isn't working. So the only way you can go about this problem is to go over here onto your taskbar and get to type updates. Simple word. So once you have updates typed, then get to click check for updates. So for now, I'm not having internet onto my computer, but once you're done, then get to click on check for updates. Once you're done checking for updates, then get to install all the necessary drivers onto your computer. Once you're done, do the restarting of your computer several times. The touchpad will start working. So that's how you can go about that problem. Thank you.